Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick video on this cool little vise I found. Not this one, the other one. This is a Kit-Vise made by the Cumming Tool and Die Company out of Kansas City, Missouri. There's a patent number on here that I was able to look up. It looks like George Cumming invented this in 1945. It's also a design patent, so this wasn't considered an invention. It was just a patent on the overall shape and style of the vise. I could not find much information on the Cumming Tool and Die Company at all, so this might have been their only product. The Kit-Vise is made out of cast iron, and it's about the height of a tall boy. It only has 1 7/8 inch wide jaws, and it's designed to mount on the edge of a workbench like this. It's in pretty decent shape, except for when I go to open it up, it makes this hellacious squealing sound. So we're going to need to take this apart to clean it up. There's a spring on the shaft here that holds it open, and then a square nut sits in that recess on the back. I should be able to just remove that nut, and the whole thing should come apart. Yeah, there's another washer inside there that's a little hung up, doesn't want to come out. There we go. I'll clean this part up on the wire wheel, get that rust off of there. Hopefully that will smoothen up the action. Yeah, this is looking much better. But I got another trick up my sleeve. We're going to add a poor man's thrust bearing to the front of the shaft. This is just a copper washer. You can get these in a little kit from Harbor Freight. This should add a little more smoothness to the operation. I'll put the original washer back on the inside. That washer doesn't really do anything being on the inside there. Maybe it was put together wrong and that washer was originally on the front. But we got a copper washer there now, so it'll be fine. I don't know if I want to do a full restoration on this or not. It's just got those green paint drips on the jaws that kind of mess it up. But I also think it kind of looks cool that way. Yeah, that sounds much better. I'm just going to go ahead and temporarily screw this thing to the edge of my workbench until I figure out what I want to do with it. And now we can see if this vise will still vise. Yep. The jaws on this are smooth, so they should be non-marring, and it has those horizontal and vertical slots in the back jaw for holding round objects. So I might just keep this thing mounted here and see if I can find a use for it. I usually use my pana vise for smaller light-duty stuff, but the notches in this vise are way more pronounced, so this might be useful for holding on to round stock. We'll see. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Check out the other videos on my channel if you haven't already. See you later. Bye.